As we jump into part 3 of 1 Samuel 5, 1 through 12, the ark in Ashdod and Ekron. We jump back into repentance is necessary. It says, ultimately, the Philistines were forced to acknowledge that the power of God of Israel and send the ark away. The priest's decision to not step on Dagon's threshold anymore shows they rejected the truth, choosing religious tradition over submission to God. And this is where we take a little deeper dive in than what the first section tells us. So it says, the narrative of the Ark of the Covenant, captured by the Philistines, reveals God's unassailable power and the futility of idolatry. After the Israelites suffered a devastating defeat due to their own spiritual unfaithfulness, God demonstrates that His glory cannot be contained or defeated, even by His enemies. Next is summary of events. The chapter documents the divine retribution that befalls the Philistine cities as the ark is moved from one location to another. First subheading is the ark is taken to Ashdod, which is verses 1 through 5 of 1 Samuel 5. The victorious Philistines placed the ark of the Lord in the temple of their god, Dagon, as a trophy. On the first night, the idol of Dagon is found face down on the ground before the ark, as if in worship. The Philistines set it back up. The next morning they find Dagon fallen again, but this time its head and hands are broken off and lying on the threshold. The shattered idol signifies that Dagon is powerless and defeated before the God of Israel. Next is the people of Ashdod are inflicted, which is verses 6 through 7. It says, following the humiliation of their God, the Philistines themselves are afflicted with a plague of painful tumors and panic. They recognize that the hand of the God of Israel is the cause and decide to move the ark. Next is the ark is moved to Gath, which is 1 Samuel 5, verses 8 through 9. We'll pick